I'm here. I made it to LA. Excited to be here. I haven't been here since November. Just spending some time with my boyfriend. We haven't seen each other in a while. Excited to just reconnect and unwind and relax. We're gonna be staying near Calabasas-ish in the valley. It's just been a long couple of months. Like, work was really stressful for the holidays this year. I work at the airport, for those who do not know. Traveling is definitely a way for me to rejuvenate and kind of press reset when things get too hectic and stressed. I love to come out and enjoy myself, get away from home, take a break so I can come back to work and do what I need to do. So we kind of already broke the Airbnb in, so it's not the cleanest anymore, but I just wanted to show you how cute and quaint it is. It's called an Eco Villa Suite, so I guess the hosts and stuff are pretty eco-friendly, I guess. But they have a ton of pretty crystals, and let me see, they have a guitar. It's a guitar. Another crystal. Some pretty lamps. Gorgeous. It's super cold out here, but I just wanted to get these views real quick. So that dome back there, the host does yoga back there. And in this pool, I believe, is water therapy stuff. Oh, look at these crystals. How pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. This is my kind of place. Peaceful and serene. Nature, trees.
Okay. Okay, I will need some water.
Full now have the itis.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leslie. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. about a week ago. No response though. In the Maybach, love convo. Your best friend, my best friend, look good on the low.